The Chalukyas were of which region? A. Southeast coast of India. B. Respective river valley regions. C. Tondai Mandalam. D. Central and Eastern Deccan. The correct answer is D. Central and Eastern Deccan. Which Tamil classic was collected and edited by C. W. Damothranar? A. Tolkappiyam. B. Silappatikaram. C. Tirukkural. D. Manimekalai. The correct answer is A. Tolkappiyam. Which month is associated with the unit, society and culture in ancient Tamizhgam, the Sangam age? A. January. B. March. C. February. D. April. The correct answer is A. January. Besides Rani Lakshmi Bai, who else among the rebel leaders are mentioned as courageous but not a match for British generals? A. British generals and Lord Canning. B. Nana Sahib and Lord Canning. C. Lord Canning and Tansha Tope. D. Tansha Tope and Nana Sahib. The correct answer is D. Tansha Tope and Nana Sahib. Where was the main concentration of the Harappan culture? A. Bihar and Bengal. B. Gujarat, Pakistan, Rajasthan and Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. D. Afghanistan and Iran. The correct answer is B. Gujarat, Pakistan, Rajasthan and Haryana. Which god did the Sumerians pray to as the god of sky and wind? A. Ishtar. B. Enlil. C. Ninlil. D. Nanna. The correct answer is B. Enlil. What was a frequent cause of dynasty collapse in China? A. Natural disasters. B. Internal court intrigues. C. Peasant uprisings. D. Foreign invasions. The correct answer is C. Peasant uprisings. Who moved the Portuguese capital from Cochin to Goa? A. King James I. B. Jahangir. C. Sir Thomas Roe. D. Ghana Nano de Cunha. The correct answer is D. Ghana Nano de Cunha. What historical event is asked about in terms of its cause? A. Mopla Rebellion. B. Indigo Revolt. C. Sepoy Mutiny. D. Deccan Riots. The correct answer is B. Indigo Revolt. Which of these were parts of the Chola administration? A. Mandalam. B. Ur. C. Nadu. D. All the above. The correct answer is D. All the above. What did India become for European textiles? A. A source of raw materials. B. A major producer. C. A competitor. D. A market. The correct answer is D. A market. The text discusses the engineering skill of which ancient civilization? A. Harappan. B. Greek. C. Roman. D. Egyptian. The correct answer is A. Harappan. When did Japan enter into an alliance with England? A. 1902. Born in 1901. Circa 1903. D. 1900. The correct answer is A. 1902. What society did Nauroji found in 1851? A. The Muslim Reform League. B. The Rahnumai Majdyasnan Sabha. C. The Hindu Reform Society. D. The Indian Education Association. The correct answer is B. The Rahnumai Majdyasnan Sabha. What was the southernmost point of Africa that was part of the route between India and Europe? A. Cape Verde. B. Mossel Bay. C. Mozambique. D. Malindi. The correct answer is B. Mossel Bay. Which practice did a travel account record as being common among kings? A. Polygamy. B. Monogamy. C. Asceticism. D. Polyandry. The correct answer is A. Polygamy. What does the term Buddha mean? A. The ascetic. B. The wise one. C. The teacher. D. The enlightened one. The correct answer is D. The enlightened one. Which of the following animals was the first to be tamed? A. Sheep. B. Oxen. C. Dog. D. Buffaloes. The correct answer is C. Dog. In which language was Sattasai, Saptasti, primarily written? A. Pali. B. Sanskrit. C. Prakrit. D. Telugu. The correct answer is C. Prakrit. Who did Hyder Ali defeat and capture Mangalore from? A. Joseph Smith. B. The English. C. The French. D. The Nizam. The correct answer is B. The English. The unit aims to familiarize students with Gandhi's role in which specific period of India's history? A. India's struggle for independence. B. The ancient period. C. The post-independence era. D. The medieval period. The correct answer is A. India's struggle for independence. What event is commemorated by Labor Day? A. Haymarket Massacre. B. Martyrs' Day. C. Independence Day. D. Farmers' Day. The correct answer is A. Haymarket Massacre. The cultural florescence known as the Renaissance was reflected in which areas? A. Study of animal skin manuscripts. B. Writings, art, architecture, and music. C. Sea voyages and exploration. D. Invention of the printing press. The correct answer is B. Writings, art, architecture, and music. In what year did Hyderabad accept the subsidiary alliance? A. 1799. Born in 1802. Circa 1798. D. 1801. The correct answer is circa 1798. Which city in South India is mentioned as a rich repository of medieval Indian history? A. Mysore. B. Hampi. C. Madurai. D. Bangalore. The correct answer is B. Hampi. What does the term Gana mean? A. An assembly. B. A ruling dynasty. C. People of equal status. D. A ruled territory. The correct answer is C. People of equal status. What percentage of the industry did John D. Rockefeller's Standard Oil Trust come to monopolize? A. 50%. B. 100%. C. 75%. D. 90%. The correct answer is D. 90%. What is mentioned in the Mangulam Tamil Brahmi inscriptions? A. The trading activities at Kaveripumpattanam. B. The King Karikalan. C. The Cheras ruling over Kaveri Delta. D. The types of merchants. The correct answer is B. The king Karikalan. How were the teachings of Buddha and Mahavir preserved and passed on? A. Through monks. B. Through written scriptures only. C. Through oral tradition by lay followers. D. Through royal patronage. The correct answer is A. Through monks. Where were Tipu and his brothers executed? A. In Vellore Fort. B. At the base of Sankagiri. C. At the top of Sankagiri. D. In Odanilai. The correct answer is C. At the top of Sankagiri. How did you score?